always. Again, Absolute Football ending on the bay now. Absolute Football, brand new product, ending on the bay now. And then it will go into Luminaries Baseball, which is our last break of Luminaries. We were only able to get one case of that. Very limited product, as well as Vanguard. Very limited product. So, alright guys. I do need your help. Left or right? Left or right? Left or right? I got a left. Let's go with the box on the left. Alright, going with the box on the left. Toby said one of these is really heavy. I don't know if you guys picked the heavy one or not, but we shall see. Yep, you picked the heavy one. This one has a book. Book! Here's the empty box. Book! Book for somebody. Book for somebody. Alright. Alright, here we go, guys. Good luck. I'm going to start off with just an Aaron Judge. On-card auto for the New York Yankees, 13 of 25. Aaron Judge, 13 of 25 for the Yankees. Nice start. Another nice one here. Frank Thomas, 12 of 25 for the White Sox. Frank Thomas, 12 of 25 for the White Sox. For the Cincinnati Reds, 11 of 25, Barry Larkin. Barry Larkin, 11 of 25 for the Reds. For the Yankees again, 9 of 10, Andy Pettitte. 9 of 10, Andy Pettitte. $14 of 25, Corey Kluber for the Cleveland Indians. You are due to receive a diamond autograph of Jose Canseco. When does he not ever had time to sign his autographs? Jose Canseco. It's going to be Oakland Athletics. He's in every product ever made, and he doesn't have time? I doubt it. 3 of 5 for the Nationals/Expos, Andre Dawson, red ink. 3 of 5, Andre Dawson. Single player autographed relic, red parallel, Chris Bryant for the Cubs. Man, this product is just loaded with. Chris Bryant, I think that's going to be out of 5. Reds are usually out of 5. And how about a gold? Manny Machado. 3-color red ink, 1 of 1 for the Orioles. 3-color patch, red ink, 1 of 1, Manny Machado for the Orioles. And our book. Oh, it's not as exciting as I thought it was going to be. For the Giants, 9 of 10 dual jerseys, McCutchen and Posey for the Giants. 9 of 10 McCutchen, Posey, dual relic book card. Could have at least put patches in there, don't you think? Well, maybe. Alright, we do need a Rumble Bumble. We got a 1-of-1. Rumble Bumble, 1-of-1. Rumble Bumble, 1-of-1. Rumble Bumble, 1-of-1. Yeah. Alright. Not too bad. Machado, 1-of-1. Chris Bryant out of 5. And Frank Thomas and Aaron Judge. Alright. Up next will be Absolute Football ending on the bay now.